As designers, we are usually very visual. That's the first thing we do. We give shape to products and to objects. But we believe very much into what we call fully sensorial or sensory design. Starting with the vision, but then, especially if it's an object that you hold in your hands, working on materials, textures, on the sense of touch.
Of course, our first initial thoughts are to innovate the way of using that product. And then, of course, besides its functionality, it comes the design, the material, the color. But we think the most important thing is the emotion of the user. So we would like to awake their emotions using our designs.
We have emotions when we start designing because we are involved not only in rationally thinking but in creatively thinking. And we like to think that the reaction of a user to our design is both functional and emotional. It was very interesting to work with Samet for two reasons. One, because they asked us to handle the creative direction of all their products. And the second, because they do hardware for furniture. And apparently their products are not so visible because they are inside the furniture.
When you open a very sophisticated furniture, you see the inner parts of the body, and sometimes it is not very beautiful to look at it. So we try to give a value to those inner parts.
We worked in giving shape to details that are also connected to the quality of a piece of furniture, how you open doors, how they close, how they do not slam when you close.
The sound that comes out can be very important for the consumer. For me as well, I have always been passionate about that very soft sound of closing the doors.
It's all related to the connection between the visual design and the quality of construction and how things work, how a piece of furniture works. In a way, it's like thinking that Samet puts the life in the piece of furniture.
That really can make the brand itself, those little qualities. The design of the idea of Ela Hinge began with a paradox, actually. When we were asked to design the hinge, we tried to make it disappear. Instead of opening the cabinet door and seeing all the mechanisms, we just wanted to see a smooth surface.
It's like the visual embodiment of the softness of the mechanism.
That will combine also with the exterior part of the elegance of the furniture itself. So outside and is equal to inner side. It is not just like a hidden part. And we can be proud to show this mechanism with this Ela product.
It's a way of visually conveying the quality of the product.
The innovative material that we have used in this product gave us the possibility to use in different finishing as well, because we can change the color of the product itself. So if you would like to hide the product on a white cabinet, then we can use the white one. Or on a dark wood, we can use the dark color. Or we can begin to play with contrasted colors, accented colors. So with one design and color alternatives, actually, you can have both very sophisticated or very fun product.